I woke up early in the morning. The sun was glaring in my eyes. The sirens crying in the city. They're off to save another life. And they cry, whoa, is anybody listening? They cry, whoa, is anybody here? And they cry, whoa, is anybody listening? They scream, whoa, does anybody care? My next door neighbor has a baby, and she's only 6 months old. She cries all night, it drives me crazy. Whenever she's hungry, dirty, or she's cold, she cries, whoa, is anybody listening? She cries, whoa, does anybody care? She cries, whoa, I need someone's attention to rescue me from such despair. A million voices in the city, and they're singing the same song. Lonely hearts in desperation, searching for strength to carry on. You see, everyone's longing for affection. It's something we rarely do receive. We just want to be wanted, to be loved. It is all that